Okay, students, everybody stand up and put your hands together, please. Before we start, I want everybody to greet your teacher a good morning. Good morning, students. How are you today? What day is it today? What is the color of today? Good job. Okay, before we start the topic, I want everybody to sing with me. Do you know the song Old MacDonald's? Yes or no? Okay, are you ready? Yes, we are. In 3, 2, 1. Let's sing together. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And all that farm he has a pig, E-I-E-I-O. And an oink oink here, and an oink oink there, oink here, oink there, oink oink everywhere. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And all that farm he has a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, moo there, moo here, moo-moo everywhere. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And all that farm he has a Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he has a horse, E-I-E-I-O. And he neigh here, neigh there, neigh here, neigh there, neigh everywhere. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And a baba here, baba there, ba here, ba there, ba everywhere. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, good job. Okay, so now let's proceed to our lesson. Our lesson for today is all about farm animals. Farm animals. Okay. Farm animals. Repeat after me. Say farm animals. Again, farm animals. Okay, let us spell the word farm. F-A-R-M. Farm. Farm. Next, let us spell the word animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Again, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Good job. Now let us speak the word together. Everybody say farm animals. Farm animals. Farm animals. Okay, I want to hear the letter S sound. Everybody say animals. Animals. Good job. Okay, now let's proceed to our vocabulary word. Number 1 is this one. Everybody say pig. Repeat after me. Say pig. Pig. Again, say pig. Okay. Pig starts with the letter P. I want you to pronounce the letter P. P, P, P. P, P, P. Okay. Again, let us repeat the word pig. Pig. Good job. Now let us spell the word pig. P-I-G. Pig. Good job. Our next vocabulary word is horse. Everybody say horse. 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 Okay, I want you to pronounce the letter H. H, h, h. Okay, again. Say h, h, h. Good job. Now let us spell the word horse. H O R S E. Horse. Horse. Okay. Now let's proceed to our third vocabulary word. Duck. Everybody say duck. Duck. Duck starts with letter D. Now let us pronounce the phonic sound D. D, D, D. D, D, D. Good job. Now let us spell the word duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Repeat after me. D-U-C-K. Duck. Good job. Now let's proceed to our fourth vocabulary word. Everybody say cow. 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 Again, everybody say cow. Cow starts with letter C. Now let us pronounce the phonic sound C. Repeat after me. Say k, 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 k. Great job. Okay, now let us spell the word cow. C-O-W. Cow. 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 Great job. Now, last but not the least, everybody say hen. 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 Okay. Hen starts with letter H. So the phonic sound of letter H is, I can't hear you. Okay, everybody say h, 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 h. Okay. Spell the word hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. Okay. Proceed to our worksheet. I want you to answer the worksheet by identifying the pictures that are given. You're going to write the answer. What animals are they? And then you're going to pick the answer beside the box on the bottom corner. So that will be all for today. Thank you so much.